Hej allihopa och välkomna till svenskkursen. Jag heter Paul Peterson och jag ska vara er svensk lärare. Welcome everyone. I'm Dr. Paul Peterson and I want to welcome you to my course in Swedish. The Swedish language, many might not know this, is quite easy for English speakers to learn because we share a lot of vocabulary and have similar grammatical structure. Swedish is spoken by about 10 million people, and it's mutually intelligible with the other Scandinavian languages, Norwegian and Danish. Sweden is a world power in terms of neutrality and has unique culture and customs. So I'm quite excited to teach you this language, which I have done for over a decade, and share my Swedish heritage and background with you all. So thank you and welcome. Tack för idag.